Video is to help with Three Little Birds, the verses. And here's our 60 beats per minute. We're off the beat again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright. And just so, I think you know the E chord, but string. Oh yeah, you've played a bunch of E chords. Oh, never mind. Okay, you know E. Oh no, you know E minor, so maybe string 5 fret 2, 4 fret 2, and string 3 fret 1, strum all 6. That's an E major chord. Minor is when you the first finger is absent, and you get that serious sounding chord. 1, 2, rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched at my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. 60 beats per minute. Let's see if we can do 72 beats per minute. One, two, three. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched at my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. That still feels real snappy to me, but that's great. That's 72 beats per minute. Okay, so there's the verse, 60 and 70 beats per minute. Again, that in between the beats, syncopation, syncopated strum pattern for this song. If you don't like that pattern, that feels weird, just do 2 quick strums like this. And you can emphasize the second one and get the same effect. So instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, you could do 1 and 2 and 3. So soft, loud, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft, soft. Get the second one a little emphasis, give you the same kind of feel. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun. 3 little birds perched at my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. And your hand kind of wants to do that anyway. Soft, loud, soft, loud. So that would be before you leave out the first drum and then rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Yeah, you almost naturally put the unemphasized or not the softer strum first on the downbeat, and then the louder strum or the emphasized strum on the end of the beat, in between the beats. And that might really help with that. Glad I thought of that. We'll talk more about that during the lesson. Okay, practice hard, have fun, and hit me with any questions. Thank you.